the Pocket Factory is our new friend. It has already established itself as an essential part of our operation.
We're a family-run company. We produce over 200 different beverages. We also operate Gruber dispensing systems. The more flexible your production needs to be, and the more customized the products are, the more critical it is to empower operators at the line.
I open and work with Pocket Factory several times a day. If there are no issues, maybe just once a day. But when there are disruptions, I check it constantly. The best part is, I can use it on the go. It works just as well on my phone. The system first highlights the machine where the fault occurred. I can go there and check what exactly happened. A huge benefit is the access to the machine history, so you can see if there's a recurring issue.
Pocket Factory is a cloud-based production data acquisition system, packed with a wide range of applications and use cases. Ultimately designed to improve the line efficiency and lower operating costs. With our downtime analysis tool, the Time Stealer, you can identify weak points along the production line at an early stage.
The first need for action became apparent soon after implementing Pocket Factory. We discovered issues at the palletizer, which stacks and organizes the beverage packs. It wasn't delivering the expected performance, and Pocket Factory made that visible. The line was backed up all the way to the filler. The filler would then keep stopping and restarting. Previously, the packing cycle time was 35 to 36 seconds. We cut it to under 33 seconds to increase the filler performance. That allowed us to clear the buffer zones along the conveyor belts.
It's a powerful tool for improving daily production efficiency. The longer we use the system, the more efficient production becomes.
I open Pocket Factory every day, usually right at the start, to see when operations kick off.
We kept seeing a nozzle on the preservative injection unit getting damaged. These are things you wouldn't normally see. You can't see it directly. Pocket Factory really helped us here, documenting data and pressure spikes to show the OPM. Look, here are the pressure peaks right here. I'd say Pocket Factory is a truly powerful tool. It helps us monitor the entire process across all machines. Just this one case with the packer, where we realized, wait a second, that made such a big difference. This improvement alone made Pocket Factory worth the investment.
At our customer sites, thousands of data points KPIs are generated continuously. Pocket Factory ensures that each person gets exactly the KPIs relevant to their responsibilities, the ones they really need to do their job.
Yes, Pocket Factory for me is the ultimate tool for the beverage producer of the future.
The real game changer with Pocket Factory was, despite full machine utilization, we were able to gain another 5% in output. That's awesome. For me, Pocket Factory is a microscope that makes small machine weaknesses visible, and it fits perfectly.